wanna slip away. Touch up the top and we shot it. Up in your heels, we ain't gotta see nobody. Off for too long, got me feeling like a zombie. Love the way you feel when I'm touching on your body. Oh, you could change the world for me, but I can't afford a thing for you. Now every time the future comes to mind, it's always win or lose. Yeah, maybe I'm too scared of what's coming for me. Or maybe I'm too scared of what I'm...
Okay, so you've seen a little snippet of me kind of cleaning up just a little bit. I got more stuff to clean up in the house. But since my son is taking a nap right now, I want to do a DIY, a plaster kind of thing for my canvases. I actually have these two, but I'm going to try one out first. So I know they're really pretty, but I'm so over it. And instead of buying a big canvas and just wasting money and stuff, well, not wasting money, but like I can repurpose these, you know? So I want to plaster those and then change this one. So I want to plaster one of those because I actually like this painting, like the tones and stuff. So I'm going to move it to the other side. And so yeah, I need to take this painting down. I got some items. So we went to Home Depot last night and I got the anvil putty knife. So I got this, that was like 98 cents. And then I got the all-purpose spackling paste from DAP. This was like 7 something. They had another one that was $8, but literally this is the same thing. And it's, I think it's already white and stuff. And that one you don't have to mix with water. It's already mixed. You just paint that stuff on there. So let's go ahead and take this down. Okay, so we're taking this down. I'm gonna put this on the floor. And I am gonna do maybe a time lapse or something on this. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I'm super excited. Hopefully this comes out right because I want it to be really pretty. I know this is, what is it? The DIY for like the what's that one painting? I don't know if it's at RH or whatever. I'll have to link it, or I don't know. I forgot the name of it, but I'm just really excited to kind of have my own artistic, you know, DIY painting. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on this. I'm really excited. So if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and then comment something down below. If comment if you've tried doing this yourself before. So hopefully I can make it look nice and stuff. And before you head out to see another channel or another video of mine, be sure to subscribe to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated, you guys. So yeah, let's get into it.
I really got no time left to overcome the things you feel. When everything just feels surreal, I can let this go. My mind's all over the place, I can't think straight. I gotta get a grip quick before it's too late. With all my enemies in the world, that could change my fate. I can't let them get through to me, I ain't got no time to wait. So just the top and we shot it. Up in the hills, we ain't gotta see nobody. Off for too long, got me feeling like a zombie. Love the way you feel when I'm touching on your body. Oh, you could change the world for me, but I can't afford a thing for you. Now every time the future crossed my mind, it's always win or lose. Maybe I'm too scared of what's coming for me. Or maybe I'm too scared of what I'm becoming. But I really got no time left to overcome the things you feel. When everything just feels surreal, I can let this go.
Okay, so this is, hopefully it's coming up okay on the camera, but you see all the texture and stuff. So this was my first one. I mean, you can do however you want and stuff. Like, some of the purplish tones are kind of coming through and stuff, but I don't know. I might paint it. I don't know. Or I might paint around the trim and stuff around it. I haven't decided just yet. But yeah, this is probably gonna go right here. I might just buy another tub of that spackling paste and paint this painting, because now I have a gist of how to paint and stuff. Because now I have the gist of how to paint and stuff. So I was supposed to let this dry for 24 hours and stuff. So, but yeah, I think it came out okay. Just being my first one and everything. I had fun doing it. It was very relaxing and stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll show you once it's dry and everything, and when I have it hanged up, you'll get a better visual of it, since right now it's just laying flat and stuff. But yeah, there's a lot of texture to it. It kind of just reminds me of like waves of an ocean, kind of, or like mountains, like small mountains and stuff. It was very relaxing, you guys. So if you're looking into something to get relaxed, definitely try this out. And you can, if you have like an old painting or whatever, or old canvas like I had, then just paint over it and repurpose it and stuff. So yeah, it was very fun and relaxing. All right, try to take this thing on down. Move this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take this painting down. Brush, it's a little off-centered, but I can always fix it later. Is it centered? Okay, now seeing it, I don't know how I feel about it, and you guys can't probably can't even see it. I'm gonna have to probably paint it. Let me know in the comments down below, did you enjoy today's video? If so, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you guys head out. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed, you know, making this and stuff. Like I said before, it was very relaxing and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.